Hey, boys and girls, coming back at you with our Letterlanders of the day. Let's go ahead and do our quick dash with our letters. Let's get started. Who is this Letterlander? That's Bouncy Ben. What sound? B. Great job. Who is this Letterlander? Dippy Duck. What's his sound? D. Who is this Letterlander? Firefighter Fred. What's his sound? F. Who is this Letterlander? Harry Hatman. What's his sound? Who is this Letterlander? Jumping Jim. What's his sound? J. Who is this Letterlander? It's Lucy Lamplight. What's her sound? Oh. Who is this Letterlander? What's his sound? Great job, boys and girls. We're going to meet two more Letterlanders today. Our first Letterlander is Oscar Orange. When we say Oscar Orange, he says, ah. Let's say it together. Ah, like you open your mouth and say ah for the doctor. That's what you're going to do for Oscar Orange. When we see Oscar Orange, here's some vocabulary cards. He has an octopus for a friend. Octopus. Oscar Orange favorite color? Whoops, is orange. Imagine that. And this bird right here is an ostrich. It's the only bird that cannot fly. And Oscar Orange likes to ride on his back. So our Letterlander is Oscar Orange. This is what his letter looks like in text. And he says, ah. Our next Letterlander we are going to meet is Peter Puppy. And Peter Puppy is a happy little puppy dog who's got long, soft ears that we rub so gently. All right, when we see Peter Puppy, we say P very, very quietly. Listen, P. Very nice. Our vocabulary cards to go along with Peter Puppy is this pink pig. What do you think has painted this picture of a pink pig? Well, it was probably Peter Puppy who painted this picture. Peter Puppy has a pink and purple parrot as a pet. All those sounds start with P. And of course, Peter Puppy's favorite color is pink. That's right. All right, go ahead and listen to our Letterland song and go ahead and do your drag and drop matching those pictures to Oscar Orange and Peter Puppy. We'll see you soon.